Prøv at lade være med at feste. Vi sender til Little Bang.
Hej. Jeg er så Nicks assistent.
On English.
On English. I am Nicks assistant. Assistant. And Nick is going to sniff up his nose. Some citrus, some lime juice. And some pepper lort. Pepper scheisse.
Kom nu, bare!
Black pepper shit. And go Nick.
I hope Johnny...
Johnny Knoxville, go home and fuck your mom in the stupid little eyeball.
Oh, Bam Margera, I hope you see this.
Kom nu, Nick.
This is a Danish candidate.
Ej, høj for satan.